While the pyramids were being built in Egypt and Stonehenge was rising in Britain, something even bigger was happening in southern Spain. Cities with triple walls, massive stone tombs weighing 180 tons, and a civilization that mined copper and traded across the Mediterranean 5,000 years ago. These are Los Millares and the Antequera Dolmens, Europe's hidden megalithic wonders that most people have never heard of. Let's go back 5,000 years and discover the forgotten kingdom of ancient Iberia. The Copper Age in Iberia, 3000 to 2200 BC. Between 3000 and 2200 BC, southern Spain entered what archaeologists call the Copper Age, or Chalcolithic period. People moved from small villages to fortified settlements. They learned to smelt copper, created complex societies, and built monuments that still stand today. This wasn't just farming villages. This was the birth of Europe's first proto-cities. Los Millares, Europe's first walled city, circa 3200 to 2300 BC. Los Millares, near Almeria, is one of the most important prehistoric sites in Europe. It covers over 75 hectares and was surrounded by 3 concentric defensive walls, the outer one almost 2 kilometers long. Inside, hundreds of circular stone houses, a large central building, possibly a chief's residence, and a metallurgical workshop for copper tools and weapons. But the most astonishing part? The necropolis, over 100 collective tombs, tholoi, with corridors and chambers, some with roofs made of huge stone slabs. These people buried their dead with copper daggers, gold jewelry, ivory combs, and ostrich eggs, clear signs of long-distance trade with North Africa. Antequera Dolmens, megalithic masterpieces, circa 3800 to 3000 BC. Further north in Malaga province lie the Antequera Dolmens, 3 of the largest and most sophisticated megalithic tombs in Europe. Menga dolmen, one of the largest in the world, 27.5 meters long corridor, massive capstones weighing up to 180 tons each, built around 3750 to 3650 BC, aligned to the summer solstice sunrise and the Peña de los Enamorados mountain. Viera dolmen, smaller but with precise astronomical alignment. El Romeral, a Tholos tomb with a 28-meter corridor and 2 chambers, built later around 2500 BC. These 3 monuments are UNESCO listed and show incredible engineering. Stones transported from kilometers away, no metal tools, only stone, wood, and human muscle. Why they were built and what happened next. These weren't just graves, they were temples for ancestor worship, symbols of power, and possibly astronomical observatories. Los Millares was abandoned around 2300 BC, possibly due to drought, resource depletion, or social collapse. The dolmens were sealed and forgotten until the 19th century, but their legacy continued. They influenced later Iberian cultures and even the Tartessos civilization. Long before the Romans, Greeks, or Celts, the people of southern Spain built cities and monuments that rival anything in Europe at the time. Los Millares and Antequera prove that ancient Iberia was not a backwater. It was a center of innovation, trade, and monumental architecture.